Okay, so for right now, we got one more 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 that we're going to be taking a look at. And this is early civilization. This is when we start to see agriculture start to influence people founding areas to live in. And the first two that we're going to look at is two of the earliest. And you can see right here, this is around 7000 BC in the Middle East. What we're going to be talking about specifically, I'm going to go ahead and highlight it right here, is Jericho, which was where the Israeli West Bank is today. So this is an area inside of the nation state of Israel. And then I always mispronounce this, so give me leeway, but Catalhyuk. And this is what is present day southern Turkey. But these are two areas that grew due to the agriculture of the area and the resources that were available in the area. So read this very first part first. This is an overview of both, how they got founded, what they had in common, why they were similar. But then if you scroll down, we'll get to an area just on Jericho. This is going to go a little bit into specifics just on Jericho. And then this last part is Catalhyuk. And that's it. That's all the text for this 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is a page, and we'll call it 3/4. So it's not a lot. Read this. Read it again. This is not going to take long to read at all. After you read it, then come to the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, there's been a little bit of confusion. You do not have to put a term in this box, a phrase in this box, a person in this box, a place in this box, and an event in this box. Read this line right here. Terms, phrases, people, places, or events that can be related to the analysis. It's the same as I said in the other 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 explanation video. This can be any of those. You could have 5 people. You could have 5 places. You could have 5 events. You could have 2 people, 3 events. You could have 2 places, 2 events, and a place. This is any combination of those 5 things. But you have to write what the description to what you are analyzing is. So what we're analyzing is the early civilizations of Jericho and Catalhyuk. Right, Jericho and Catalhyuk. So if I were to write Turkey, southern Turkey, that was a place that's mentioned. We just talked about it. Then southern Turkey is the current location of what was Catalhyuk. That's what you would put in this box. Cause and effect, y'all haven't had an issue with. This is what happened and then what happened as a result. Right here, this is only people or groups. So you're going to put one person and then another person, and then tell me what the connection between those two people are. Pull people from the text, or groups of people. They don't have to have an exact name as long as it is a specific group of people. And then put how they are connected. Down here, put a claim or an argument. What do you think about, did you think something specific about Jericho? Or did you think something specific about Catalhyuk? Did you think something specific about the people that this text mentions? Just something you have a theory about, or a specific claim about, or something you really do believe from that text. It doesn't have to be a theory. It can be something that you believe after you read the text. Then give me 2 quotes that support this statement that you came up with down here. These just copy and paste from the text those quotes in this box. That's why they're quotes. Copy and paste them into this box. These are things that are going to clarify and show how you got to this result right here. If you have any questions, please write me. I would prefer you write me and we do this correctly than for there to be some sort of confusion and you not get complete points on this because the information that you gave me was incorrect. So the one part you do have to do on this that is up to you is you have to read. We're not able, if you're at home, we're not able to sit in class and go through this material bit by bit by bit and talk about it. They're largely reading in class as well, but we do have the chance to ask questions. So if you have questions, ask me. That's what we're able to do in class. That's what I need you to do if you're at home. So write me on Schoology, email me. Hopefully there won't be any problems.